Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram not sending message. As you can see, if I send a message, then it shows as sending, but it does not send the message. So without wasting any time, I will tell you how you can fix this error. First of all, you have to close the Instagram. After you have closed the Instagram, what you have to do is you have to open settings of your device. After opening setting, what you have to do is you have to open apps or application manager in your device. After apps or application manager has opened, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to click on Instagram. In Instagram, what you have to do is you have to click on mobile data and whether you have to check it has allowed background data usage or not. If it is turned off, then you have to turn on the background data usage so that your Instagram can work properly. Moreover, you can click on storage and you can clear the cache of your Instagram app. After doing all the things, you have to check whether it is updated or not. For this, you have to check whether your Instagram app is updated or not. For this, you have to open Play Store and you have to search for Instagram. As you can see, my Instagram is updated. If you have not updated kindly update your Instagram, because many bugs are fixed by the updated version of the app. Now we have checked that our Instagram app is updated. Now we will again move to the Instagram and check whether our problem has solved or not. As you can see, our problem has solved as we have updated our Instagram app. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.